Okay. Oh my god, how many dropped frames am I having? Okay. We go to okay. I'm just gonna watch myself quickly. Okay. I'm just gonna watch myself quickly. I'm a bit quiet. I'm gonna turn myself up a bit. Hey everyone! Alright. My quality is probably gonna sound a bit bad. Because just gonna watch myself. Because you know, like I'm gonna turn myself up a bit. Hey everyone! Alright. Yeah, my quality is probably alright. Well, hello. I am Arch, and I'm going to be trying to make a messaging app using Evalonia C#, because that's all I know how to do. I mean, I don't know how to do this, but I've only really used C#, GScript, and a little bit of Python. So it's kind of I can hear myself, and it's like putting me off. All right, that's all I really know per se. Um. Okay. My bitrate is kind of a bit topsy-turvy, but you know. I'm going to be using the Evalonia tutorials to do the first, like, main kind of thing. Oh, did not even mean to do that. Main thing. To do this. It's streaming on my other monitor. In fact, I might do this, you know, have it like like that, and then we can look at both. Yeah, that's really it. So some of the app is still running. I did check it out before, like if we go here, hit run, should have been. Okay, so it's just like the default thing. It just has that in the middle. And tick. It uses like HTML, kind of like something HTML adjacent. called XML, XAML, something like that. It has this. This is like a text block thing. And how do we replace the line here? Let's do that quickly. There's no auto correct, sadly, but that's not needed. I'm sorry if I sound gross. I'm a little bit sick. I don't even know. How do I? Is there a previewer? Hold on. Previewer. This bit. But yep, that worked. There's a button now. Calculating. That's just the default little icon. My aim is to make something like Discord, but that's like a huge like jump. So maybe I need to get the extension. Yes, I trust you. This will be useful because then I can like look at it without rebuilding the thing, you know. Ah, crap. If my stream is like horrible, I'd like to know, I guess. Huh. What's going on? I'm getting like a little error. Video to make these videos as well. Oh. Hold on. I just realized this looks horrid. It doesn't look bad in like full screen, I guess. But my connection's really poor. Yeah, I've really realized it's great. Continue. How do I open the previewer? Do I need to do the licensing? I want a preview, please. How do I do that? I'm a little confusing. It just says a chat rate of 1. But have I gone in the chat? Whatever. Let's do this over quickly. Let me go to my channel. Assuming I'm still live. I don't know why I changed my chat rate to 1. Yes, I trust. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Chat rate 0. Probably should tune my thing a bit more. How do I open the previewer? It's giving us a new icon, presumably a open this for a bit. Okay. Maybe it says here. What? Must only be in VS Code and Writer. God damn it! I hate both of those things. It's okay though. We'll just have like a. We'll just have the button. We'll just have to like reopen it every time. Server. File, go down. Next. And horizontal alignment. That probably means that it's, yeah, gonna be in the center. Let's just run this. Okay, yep, there it is. That's pretty cool. What have I learned? Yeah, it's that is what I learned. A stack panel. Okay. Here we got forward slash. Add a text pocket button. Wait. Size. Oh. Font size 4? 34. It's 35. I was about to, it's like a weird way to do it. I don't know. Horizontal alignment. Center. And then text. Those. Do a check. Okay. So is there two ways to do a text block where you put it in the middle? And vice versa. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know how this works. Like, how is it getting... How is it getting the thing? Okay. Wait. I think I was meant to remove the first one. Oh. So, yeah. And now we try. Yeah. The middle to the top. I'm gonna have a look around this. This is just view on the base. Wait. So this is just the object. What's this? Don't. Why did they make a separate object for that? For the main window. Initialize component. What does it call the main window? here. So try it loads. From this it loads this. So this object, and then assuming there's like a external thing that calls on frame rate initialization completed once that's initialized. Oh, it's loading something. Load. I'm not gonna look at that. That's too confusing. New main window. Anyway, back to this. Close the text box. Okay, so border. Maybe like. Hold on. Paste this. I'm not much of a. Oh. I'm gonna ignore this quickly and just do this. Is 5. Radius equals 10. Background equals light blue. Okay. So then why is this acting weird? Oh, it's because the border there can only be one thing in a border. Okay. That's pretty cool. Yes. That. There you go. It's probably gonna look different because that's I'm assuming that's using the previewer, but then this is using the actual window itself. Yeah, it doesn't look as good because it's like blue and black. It's like a grid. So this it's fine. And outside the border, we add a grid. So how do they know when to? 5. Wait, I was looking at the wrong thing. Ah, fudge. Column definitions equals 120. What is my column definition? Is it like 120? Photo. Oh wait, we should. So yes, to make it look better. The main reason I picked Evalonia is because apparently it's pretty good. It's used by a lot of companies. I don't know which ones. Okay, so these are our cells here. So I'm assuming the grid is like a spreadsheet kind of thing. But then you can insert stuff into it. Sorting controls of the grid. Sorting controls to the grid. Grid.red. Yeah, close that. Alright, I didn't close that. I should close this. The previous not available. Build a project. I guess. Well, okay. Now we just have that here. In that case, put this full screen so it's more room, and then put this full screen. The dirt in my hand. What is that? You need to. Celsius. Yeah, see, this one just puts text here, but then there's this one above that. Was just you see the text for that. I don't know why there's a difference. Or was there even a need for a difference? You know? Oh. So within the grid, add a text box, right? What did it say? Grid dot row. I'm used to like other languages. Say Celsius. Oh, that's a bit hard to see. Is it meant to be off screen? Dot row 0. Grid column 1. And margin is 0.5. Text is equal to 0. Oh, this is for one line things. Yeah. Okay, so I could just do that. The same effect. I don't see the point in splitting it up. I guess it's just for like the sake of like telling you it's like meant to be a different kind of text box. I'm not entirely sure. Column 0. Margin is 10. Okay, this is his. Maybe I think I got some of the things wrong. But yeah, that does seem right. Yeah, well, it's probably because the row is sticking out. And that looks better. Text block. And this one's a 1 by 1. So just do. Now I know this stuff because I had like a book on HTML. It's like kids book, but other than that, I haven't really touched it. That looks weird. See, look right here. This looks very weird. Let me try running it. Maybe I think it might be because of the Martians, you know? The Martians. Huh. No. It's probably because I got the preview wrong. Try run that again. Yeah, there is because I had the preview open. That looks weird. Assuming there's probably gonna be a way to auto fill it out, you know. Did I even spell Fahrenheit right? No, I spelled it Fahrenheit. That's pretty good to rebuild time, to be honest. Even on my bad like computer. Like that's pretty good. Increase this. Looks like it's more in the middle of the screen. This is a 5. Save that. Oh, this is different. It's true. Version 5. I'm just confused on why it's like it looks so weird, you know? Just feels a bit off. I have everything right, don't I? Celsius. Yeah, this is just confusing. Spend the window tag. Between seats and managers. Ugh, jeez. Design width to 400. It says here that it looks like a button. It kind of looks like a button, you know? But even though these are also just text blocks. Maybe it's not a text block? Maybe I just misread it. Oh my god, I did. I did misread it. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. Text box. There we go. Now that looks like better. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I just realized. Seeing the window runtime window size. Oh, the window ETA totals. That'll be a runtime. Yeah, so. I mean, it won't stop me. Yeah, it's trying to stop me because I have previewer up. I closed it, so it's guys. Display. Getting an event handler. I can run OBS instead. God damn it. Using Avalonia dot interactivity. Oh, we're gonna be able to interact. I've never used. I mean, obviously, I haven't used this because it's my first time using Avalonia, but obviously, I haven't. I mean, I haven't used System Diagnostics before. And this is really my first app, like, ever. But, oh well. But I do know how to unclick object question mark, because it might not be an object. Routed event args debug right line. Yeah, that seems about right. That's how you call a function. Wait, there's a locate button in the bottom of the file. Oh, okay. So click button on, and it gives you autocorrect. Oh no, I mean like autocomplete. That's freaking insane. Go to the output window. Oh, that's actually really good. Okay. Huh. I mean, this isn't really working. But wait, how do I do this on Visual Studio? You're not telling me these things that are important. I hate it when it's like designed around Visual Studio because Visual Studio is such a shit IDE. But oh well, what can you do? Let's see if we can get it running in the preview. See if it'll do anything. Nah. I'm so freaking sick. Let's try looking this up. This code debug. Problems the service store cleaning everything reduces for mistake. Okay. Let's try run it again. Click, 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 click. There we go. Alright, that's cool. Anyway. Back to confirming data. Okay. What is name equals? Oh, maybe it's so we can reference it in the this thing. Name equals Fahrenheit. This is really good autocomplete. Yeah, see, yeah, oh my god, okay. So click. Alright, we're gonna add let's do it. Click. Celsius is Celsius. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Doesn't know what Celsius is. Doesn't know. Oh, it does now. Okay. Hold on. Maybe if we do it here, do debug. That worked last time. No, the preview is actually just stopping it. $500. There you go. That's cool. Alright. It's annoying that I have to like reopen the previewer. So I wonder if there's like a keybind for that. That we're gonna ignore these errors just because they're, you know, really important. Fahrenheit equals Celsius times 9/5 plus 32. Still not completed. I'll keep it there. I guess I want to get this later. Double try parse. Huh. Just text. Outputs double C. Variable if Fahrenheit equals C times 90 or 5D. Plus 32. Fahrenheit equals f.2 string. Else Celsius.text is equals 0 Fahrenheit. Yeah, it should look like this. Tree work. Okay. Close this. Debug. Celsius. Right, so if I set this to -10, it should be 14. 0, 32 degrees. And 50 degrees. 21. 69.8. 32. 89.6. Oh shit, I probably should have tested that, yeah. Let's just try that again. Yep. Then... what? Oh yeah. Grid lines are visible. Well, that's easy. Just gotta go false, and then. In fact, I might even do that just to hurry up with it. Alt double C. I have a microphone muted, sorry about that. Alt double F. And then var C equals F. Trying to figure out what the reverse would be. F divided by 90 times by the minus 32 Celsius dot text equals C dot toString 0. Okay. I don't know if that'll work, honestly. For instance, if we have a... like, if we set that to 32... degrees Fahrenheit, 32. Double the check plus Fahrenheit, but X out. Double. Wait, what to do? That. Maybe that'll change something. I'm not really like a math guy. I might need a hint for this one. Let's do 50. Nah. Alright. Well, hint first. Huh? Make it impossible. Oh, I can't read. Okay. This really true. Oh my god. Alright, so now You go debug. And I shouldn't be able to edit it. Ah, that's my fault. Jesus. So now I can't. Yeah, I can't edit that. Make it 100. Calculate. Do is there any events? It's currently is a tick because currently opens and reminds of TikTok. Six TikToks. Oh, there's the first section that understand creates the version. Add handler. Yeah. So. This is confusing. Let's try another hint. Is it a different freaking